So hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the demo of how streaming actually works on platforms like YouTube and Netflix. So you are aware that in these platforms there are very long videos in very high quality as well. So these platforms do not download the entire video at once and show it to you. Instead they break the video in various chunks or various few seconds you can say, and then as the timeline progresses they just deliver those chunks to you. So this is very basic project of how streaming actually works that I'm going to demonstrate to you right now. So let us just open the networks tab and see like how everything actually works. So when I click this video you can see that there is currently only the video thumbnail. Now you have seen that in the YouTube timeline as well, like whenever we hover over the timeline there is one preview or thumbnail being shown. So let us see, like that is also being downloaded at that moment. So let me just clear this one for you now, and then in the networks tab you will be seeing the like the thumbnails which are getting to us on hovering the timeline. So yeah, when I hover over this you can see thumb 001_2 we just got, then we got 4, 5, 6 and so on and so forth. As we progresses, at that moment only these are getting downloaded. So this was about the timeline part. Now how the video actually works. Now if I just play, you
Alright,
can
so
see that
hey everyone, welcome
the
back.
video just started, right? Now this index3.ts is the one chunk that is currently being provided to us, along with index0 and index2.ts as well, which I cleared previously, but that is being already shown to us. Now as the video progresses you can see that index4.ts, index5.tx, these chunks are getting to us. So this is how the streaming actually works. You don't get the entire video at once. Instead you get in few seconds or few milliseconds. As the video progresses he knows like which chunk to deliver next. Now even if I just click on here, the video is so smooth that it just continue. It didn't took too much load. Instead it just go on to the index 40 chunk, index 41 and 42 chunk and delivered to us. So that's why it is very smooth, because the video is not getting downloaded first. Instead wherever we want to move or whatever part is playing, it just plays that particular part along with few other upcoming chunks which will be delivered to us. So this is how it works. Now you can also see that we can also change the resolution as well. So this is also pretty much the same. So behind the scenes how it works is like there is protocol called HLS which actually breaks your entire video into various chunks and then delivers to you. And it is not only restricted to that only. Based on the resolutions that we need or the quality that we need, it creates separate chunks for that, and whatever we demand at that moment it delivers that chunk. So let me show you how it actually works while it like breaks the video into entire chunks. So this is the processed video, this is the full video. So this is the 480p and this is the 720p. So if we just check the 480p and this is the video that I have shown, so you can just see the index M3U8. So it just creates the index M3U8 folder which gets delivered to the browser, which takes care of the entire chunks that are present for that video. And these are the actual chunks that are just broken down for the video. Similarly, if you have the 720p, so again it has converted the entire video like into various chunks and then delivered to us. Again it has the same M3U8 folder which carries all the chunks, and we have these separate chunks which are being marked here. So this was the basic level of how streaming actually works on bigger platforms where videos are very high quality as well as very long. So this is how the streaming actually works. They first broke into various smaller chunks and then as per the demand they deliver to the user. So I hope you learned from this video. Thank you.